Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix League of Legends Vanguard error Van81. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first, you want to open up your task manager, and on task manager you want to make sure that League of Legends, Riot Client and Vanguard are not running. So if the Riot Client is running, then you want to end the task. The same goes for League of Legends and for the Vanguard. So you want to end these tasks. After you've done that, you want to go to Startup Apps and you want to find VG Tray, this one, and you want to make sure that it is enabled. If not, you want to right click on it and click Enable. And now you want to go and write down on search role. Then this will pop up and you want to write down msconfig and click Enter. Now this will pop up and you want to click on services right there. Scroll down until you will see VGC file. So I'm just gonna hide all these files, and as you can see, here is a VGC file. You want to make sure that it is ticked on, and if it is not, just tick it, apply, and OK. Now all you have to do is just restart your PC and make sure you do that, and then try to launch it and see if the error is fixed. In 90% of the time it will be fixed, but if not, then you should have to do some other things. So it would be going to CMD, and also once you write down CMD, you want to make sure that you run it as admin. Now after that, you will see this pop up, and what you want to do is go ahead and write down SC delete VGK, then click Enter, and another would be SC delete VGC, and you're gonna click Enter and delete all of those files. Now you're gonna restart your PC again. Another thing you need to do is go ahead to your local disk C, program files, and here you want to find Vanguard. So here it is, Riot Vanguard, and you want to go ahead and delete this file. Now you're going to open up your Riot client, and once you will see League of Legends, if there's any update, you want to update it, restart your PC, and that should fix your error. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.